repeat, we need immediate assistance, multiple casualties at the admin building.
Because every second of preparedness could mean a lifetime saved. This activity reaffirms our commitment to the PNP Focus Agenda of our Acting Chief PNP, Police Lieutenant General Jose Melencio Parpus Nartates Jr., particularly under Enhanced Managing Police Operation. Part of this commitment is revisiting and implementing our risk management plan, ensuring that every unit, office, and station within PRO 3 has a well-defined protocol for response and recovery. We must continuously assess vulnerabilities, identify hazard, and establish clear lines of communication and responsibility so that when emergencies strike, our response is immediate, organized, and effective. Ang ganitong mga pagsasanay ay hindi lamang tungkol sa simpleng pagsunod sa DAC cover and hold. Ito ay tungkol sa disiplina, presensya ng isip, at pagkakaisa sa oras ng panganib. Through teamwork and coordination, we can minimize risk and prevent loss of lives. Each of us, from the highest ranking officer of the newest patrolman, has a role to play in ensuring that our stations, our families, and our communities remain safe and prepared. Let us continue to make PRO 3 a model of resilience, readiness, and professionalism, truly reflecting the values of ibagong PNP para sa bagong Pilipinas. Serbisyong mabilis, tapat, at nararamdaman